kar khat liam ta khanin Donald Trump hian rally ania chuta chuanin tha antuma an hlo chamani midam tak chuanin khami awang khanin US president anile don chianga an ngai an nem nge top to ni tuna hianin Donald Trump hi tha antum nu kar khata che chia rally a tho rally kan ti chuanin mipui ma public ma tak tak building chung ni lo public ma tak tak khanin thua soile to ani ama ai khanin nuama tin a huai senamoti to mai turani thua soidan hi hi kan ria khau don ani angai nom viewang Donald Trump hi chu tin thil pakhat le chu thua soya khianin teleprompter ang chi kha amamo lo athu soi tur nge soidon ti kha awa chira ngai lo khola khan mo hemi hi mitam takina andu na chanani pakhat boka India rama shoi tu then khatele Joe Biden te chuanin teleprompter an mo ngoi ngoi ang khanin mitam takhianin an chu ave thungani le tuna ria khawango.
Well, thank you very much. This is like a Michigan football game over here. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I want to thank you, Jay.
Michigan football game boruak hot lutuk ne na tekhin ani mo tu na a boruak om na mekhi.
This is I want to thank you, JD, for the introduction. You're going to be a fantastic Vice President of the United States.
Mak maya. A running mate, JD, come on, Vice President Turka, you are going to be the next Vice President at the top many Vice President Turanga to top. Taki chuanin an chak don ti hi an in ring to view ani Donald Trump te hian mo.
And you know, I chose him because he's for the worker, he's for the people that work so hard and perhaps weren't treated like they should have been, but they were treated that way 4 years ago, I can tell you that.
JD event sakatlan na chan chu te han asoi lang zuai ni hote in a chan chu he pa hi mi pui te tan thokrim tak tak te tan adin tlat wang ani he pai ka du em na chan chu atia ni ni reng politician te hi an ni dan tur ni shim heta middle class thokrim le tai ma te tan hian ding tur ani.
We're going to get it back bigger, better, stronger than ever before. Thank you very much. This is some crap.
Mi pui an lom zia kumlikal ta khanin ama president lai han mo 2016 to 2020 khan khati lai khanin politician te kha mipui thokrim ta tan khanin andin sak train ani khami te chuwan chonin kumlikal ta khatiang ang din hun thataka thokrim zongjong te omdan ang khan kha aya let thazokin kha ile ta thazokin tuna hianin aronom le to don atiani
to be back in the great state of Michigan with thousands and thousands, and I mean lots of thousands up here. This is a hell of an arena. This is a hell of an arena.
Michigan athu soi na ki a boru ka tamo mi puina an lo don son dan te ki puya tilu tu kan hito na.
But you are the hard-working patriots that we love. You know, they have crowds of people outside. You're not even going to believe it. They go blocks and blocks. But let's forget about
Hemi arena pona po hianin mitam tak an omani atia chonin Donald Trump again hardworking patriots ati de chu USA tana American culture hianin a in chen sang de toni tu na hi chuan an mani hian mo culture hi hetama helama LGBTQ support de walk culture support de noma chon Donald Trump telam conservative de nom tani king ho hi true American sati kha ani thei de mayam o khatia khang ho kha Donald Trump hi chuan ina da poimo mel to pani
about them, right? Let's forget about them. Let me begin this evening with a very special thanks to Americans nationwide, including all of you here today, for your extraordinary outpouring of love and support in the wake of the horrific last Saturday event.
An bu na sa khop mai achan chu tu da han Donald Trump khanin ka thu soi tur bul tran dan hianin America ram mi puite min mai na min du sakna min support na zong zonga atharin lom thu ka soi du ani karma sa Saturday a khanin tha min tuma an hlo chama ati chi khanin mi pui ho kha bu ron ti wak mai ni mo.
And when you think of it, it was exactly 1 week ago today, almost to the hour, even to the minute.
Tuna khan Donald Trump khan na soi dan chuanin ngai to chian phei chuanin khami tha min tum tha tha mintum hun kha kar khat kalta che che voin niang tho adar kar point ang tre pati ani omje chu tuna henin Saturday tlaya thu soile ni Donald Trump hemo to Saturday ma satlai lampa khanin than tumta Sunday zinga khanin kan riek chauta khanita akar khat na che che ni hi a thakop mai a thakop mai ti mai la df dikop mai a tiang vel chone
Incredible. What a day it was. As I said earlier this week, I stand before you only by the grace of Almighty God. That's true. I shouldn't be here.
Pathian wang chawin heta in ma hian ka lo ding the ni amaro chu heta po hian in ma po ding thei tur po hi kan ni lo ti to na he
I shouldn't be here. Maybe JD or somebody else would be here, but I shouldn't be here right now. But
helai muna tu na hian in helai muna om tur he kan ni lawa he ka tu soina muna po hian in JD Vance a vice president running mate mo hang de po ka ron tinga ron om chuak tur zo kan ni helai muna hian om tur kan ni lo atia soi to han mi in perfect to pathian in a om pui ti a chi ni Donald Trump come on Donald Trump ka ti Donald piang hian in prime minister Punarendra Modi Donald Trump ati ha ka hret chuak thina kalam trap zel ni de han
something very special happened. Let's face it, something happened. I want to thank Butler Memorial Hospital in Pennsylvania for the incredible job they did and service they gave. And all
an ka hiam nu khanin Butler Memorial Hospital Pennsylvania a hiam kha an lo dressing sakani tenga hang sathiam ang an lo dressing sakani kami an service kha allo a tha tia lom thu soya
all of the great citizens of Butler, Pennsylvania and the surrounding area and everyone else for the job they did and the love that they showed us all. It was incredible, actually. What a time that was.
Butler, Pennsylvania cheng zong tena min du sang na min mai na min troyom na zong alom thu ka soya tia
what a time that was. Nobody's seen anything like it and hopefully they never will again. And they had cameras blazing. I guess it was different in that way too because we were right in the middle. All those, see, look at all the news back there and they were all blazing. They were going. No.
News media trend kha thowian in Donald Trump ka chung chang ha bias de khanan report na me Trump supporter te khi chuan in an lo du vak lo ani Trump khian in khatiang thil kha chu in VAWIKHAT hmuna ni ka ringa in hmule to po ka ring lawa ti boka Pennsylvania sale Butler ho Pennsylvania mi de ho khamo
no they covered it fairly. They couldn't believe what they were saying either, so
Trump khi chuan in bias de dewa news media chanchin lo chua tu te kha khatiang thil kha an lam mu ngai lo wain amak antia amaro chu fair takin an chuwa ve thawani atiani
you did cover it fairly. Let me also thank Congressman Ronnie Jackson from Texas, you know Congressman Ronnie Jackson, for the care and treatment he gave me as an outstanding doctor, which he is. He's really an amazing guy. Where's Ronnie? Doc Ronnie's here someplace.
Ta hi chuan in Congressman Ronnie Jackson Dr. ni bokne na lom thu asoi ani ber mai kilai te khi chumo mi pui bokin thur ti hriat ta hi chumo
Thank you, Ronnie.
tha antum achanga kar khat ni a che rally an nei le ne
Thank you very much. Great doctor. He was a great admiral, a great doctor. He's a White House doctor for Bush, Obama, and a guy named Trump. And they said, who was the healthiest of the three? He said, not even a question, Trump. And I said, I love that guy. I love that guy. When he said that,
kami Ronnie Jackson ka White House doctor ania chuan in Bush George Washington Bush chuan George Bush chuan Barack Obama le Donald Trump te tang hianin doctor ani vek to ni chuan in Donald Trump hianin abula khanin tunge president te zinga hrisel ber tia chuan in Ronnie Jackson khani tiang nangma hrisel ber atiani mo mi pui nawle dur meni mi pui play dan po hi Donald Trump kena thiam rang
that was my doctor. Even if he's a congressman, that was my doctor. But he's been a great congressman. Thank you very much, Ronnie, for everything. We appreciate it. Ronnie Jackson.
Ronnie Jackson
We continue to pray for the recovery of the 2 citizens who were wounded in that evil attack, David Dutch and James Copenhaver, 2 really incredible people. We remain in contact and send our deepest respect to the families. Corey, as you know, Corey Comparator was a brave firefighter who died. Funeral yesterday.
Tonight, kami Donald Trump tha an tum truma hliam tur te panida hang kan la tong trai renga ti chuanin mi pakhat thita kha aluan ka fu ta kamo anupui le afanu te anupui fanau te chan tum na lampang aluan ka fu tung chang po haron soi chuak le an tor pui thu te soya
shielding his wife and daughters from bullets. He shielded them from the bullets of this horrendous person. Corey was a hero, and we will carry his memory in our hearts for all time.
Shereng dola ni ati ni kita kamo Korea ni ang hinchu.
That's great.
Trumpomania. Donald Trump offenses to
Trumper, and we will never forget him, right?
Trumpers.
We're all together. There's never been anything like what you witnessed the other day with the convention. I don't think there's ever been a convention where there was such unity and love, and even now I'll say just for a second, the fake news even said it that way. I want to be nice.
Fake news media or CNN ti te hawan ya an la ka hanin that ka chuwe du shim chu ba an mani ho po khanin Republican National Convention tu kan nei zo tak po khanin enge anin lungruala anin mangai ti a she teng zo han lo chuwe niang kha wa hanin I want to be nice an la han that ka chuwe lo nge kan fear ve lo nge
the fake news reported it correctly. There's never been such unity, and everybody did a great job, and the speeches and
news dik lo chua thin te po khanin dik takin tun tum chu lo chua ve te kap thiam mai
it was just an incredible event.
Hey, Sean Hannity here.
Khati zong khani han ron talan chumo nom thin Trump nge offense te ka Trumpsters an lo ni renga chuanin Hulk Hogan khanin Hulkamania khanin Trumpomania ti boka Trumpomania Trumpsters Mizoram hang kan lo tamani he Donald Trump ngai sang tak mo nuam ngotang hilaya stadium Donald Trump arena Donald Trump tu soi ngai thatu le khimi boruak mo boruak khot lu tuk tur bulvela hanom vel pokin nuam view mai thei ani